Good mid-afternoon, 2:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the great state of Michigan after another Michigan win on Saturday to put them to 10-1 before the game against Ohio State, which we'll probably get the shit beat out of us, but that's for another day. I wanted to do a state of the crypto update. I'm T-Speaker222 with Swing Traders Anonymous. I'm doing this update so that we can get an overall feel of the market. We'll go over the total crypto market cap. We'll go over the Bitcoin dominance chart. We won't go over the BITO chart because it's been closed for the weekend and we've already covered it several times this weekend. We'll go to Tether and then end with Bitcoin. Mary, I'm going to try to do 2 updates a day for you, love, just so you can stay on the same page. Maybe one in the morning to early afternoon and one in the evening to late night. And then when the time's right, we'll get back into the swing trades. But right now we're focusing on the overall crypto market. And I really like this style. And this has become the home for all things Bitcoin, basically. And then when we do our swing trades, we'll do our swing trades. So the total crypto market cap, we're in between right now in the 2 trading zones. But what we have done today is got on the top side of the 30-minute. So we could back test the 30-minute. But right now it's looking okay. I mean, we're trading between 2.5 trillion as support, 2.75 trillion as resistance. In the 3-minute time frame, we're consolidating. As long as we stay up over this, we're fine. Over these moving averages. It's hard to say what we're doing right now because it could have created a topping formation. It's so hard to tell, though, because we're over the 30-minute. As long as we stay over the 30-minute time frame, right in that 2.588 trillion range, we'll be okay. In the 4-hour time frame, that's why I keep saying it's so tough. We bounce off the 4-hour, but that's up at 2.61 trillion, and that's the 4-hour time frame. So that's where you really want to be over, and as you can see, we're right on the border right now. 2166 or 2616, we're at 2614 is the 200 day, so we're just over it. So if we bounce off this level and we get supported by the 200 day, we could be okay. If we break down past this level and use this as resistance, this will be your first sign that we're in a topping reversal formation right here. And on the flip of the daily close at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 4 hours and 11 minutes from now, Mary, that would be a good sign that we'd be reversing back down. As of right now, though, we're trying to fight to keep that 200-day line, which is the red line, and the 4-hour time frame, keep that over it, because then you'll be bullish. If we come back under that, though, we're going to be pretty bearish here, and it would be a pretty quick fall off. And I'm going to assume the Bitcoin dominance chart is going to be speaking of this. See, and then the Bitcoin dominance chart, let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see where that 200-day is sitting at. See, and it's still got a ways to go to get up there. Let me get this off. Still got a ways to go to get up to the 200-day. It feels like, though, it's creating a formation here where we've hit a bottom. You've got this, the M. It looks like it's going to be a reversal bottom back up. That's what I'm thinking. I feel like we've got a W forming right in front of our very eyes. So, if this is true, the altcoins are going to start dumping here pretty soon in the short term if this comes up to that 43.94 and further. Tether. We took the route of going up as we thought we might because we're trying to get back up into the zone. But here's the thing we got to watch with Tether. We're starting to go to the right track here to get back up into the support areas. Sorry, let me get some of the stuff out of your way. So here's the resistance support line of 33.67 that we have to break and then get back up into this uptrend. I think we're going to. It's just we've had an extended sideways consolidation. But if we get on top here of 33.67, because now we're on top of the 4-hour time frame, this is looking much more bullish than it did just a few days ago. So we could have a nice little gain here, and that could also signify a dump in the crypto market. And then Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 59,284. We're working at some very key resistance right now. That 59,684, we keep getting beaten back down underneath. So it's been going on for about a day and a half. So we're well below in the 4-hour time frame. If you're looking at a close in the 4-hour time frame, you want to close over 60,601. because that's the 200-day, 4-hour time frame, the moving average. You get over that, you'll be very bullish, at least in the short term. But if we keep getting rejected and stay under it once again, the daily time frame suggests we have to come down to where I circled, and that's at about 49,200 roughly. So I hope this update helps on the state of the crypto market. Please hit that like button. It really does help. Subscribe to the channel if you're new or returning.